Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This particular video lesson is for class 5 for subject of computer science. In this class we are going to start our unit 3, that is networks and multimedia. Dear students, our objectives are, after this lesson you will be able to know about networking, local area network, wide area network. You will also learn about internet, intranet, email, computer assisted instruction and computer aided learning. So let's start our. So dear students, what is computer network? A network is how computers are connected to share information. So we can say a computer network is interconnection of two or more computer systems located in a same room, building or different places. Computer network enable the sharing of information, program and hardware component. A network can be used to link computer equipment like printer and other devices. In a computer network, that could be in an office, company or in computer lab, computers are connected so that they can share devices such as printer by using cables. The computer can be connected through wires, telephones and even satellite links. There are different components of computer network that are used to connect computer. We have sending devices, we have receiving devices, and definitely there is a transmission medium that is used to transmit data in a network. That's how computers are connected in a network. There are different types of networks. So first type that we are going to discuss over here is local area network. Local area network covers small area of operation, generally within the premises. Computers are usually connected with wires in local area network. Data transmission speed in local area network is very high. This setup of local area network can be within a building or in native building. So usually small business organization use local area network to connect computer system together. LAN is commonly used local area network. So over here you can see different computer users are connected to a central router. So with the help of this router they can share information. At the same time they can share peripheral device like printer you can see in this image. So over here you can see a small setup of local area network that is commonly used in any business organization. Wide area networks are networks that are just like local area network except regarding the area they cover. Generally they cover longer area or long geographical distance, such as they can cover state or province or even a country. They even connect different multiple small networks together. Many large organizations develop their own private wide area network. Wide area network may use different combination of communication means in the network. Data transmission speed in wide area network is usually slow as compared to local area network. But the main advantage of wide area network is users at different locations are connected to a central server. It is used to monitor distant locations and offices. But one disadvantage of wide area network is that to maintain a wide area network is really difficult as compared to local area network. So over here you can see two or more smaller network such as LAN can be connected through wide area network. So dear students, most of you are familiar with this term of internet. What is internet? Internet is basically global system of interconnected computer networks that use same protocol to communicate between network and devices. Internet covers larger area than wide area network, and it's also known as network of networks. There is a transmission of data between these computer networks. This transmission of data is called internet working. Internet can be between same country. It can join different countries and even different continents together. In this case, we need interoperability. What is interoperability? Interoperability is basically a mean through which different computers from different companies that have different operating system are connected to each other and they can easily communicate to each other. Intranet. As internet is between different networks, intranet is a network between one's organization to connect different computers with different operating system. An intranet is basically a private network that can only be accessed by authorized users. So in many organizations, this will be a wide area network. Such a network is called intranet. Email. Email is basically short for electronic mail, that is transmission of message over communication network. You can use any existing network to send a message from one computer system to another system. To send this message you need a network. This particular network can be a local area network, wide area network, intranet or even internet. You can use any kind of network to send this message. To send this email you need simply email ID of the recipient to whom this message is sent. In recent years, use of email has been increased many times. There is an estimate there now 25 million email users send almost 15 billion messages per year. So you can say how email is used nowadays. Computer assisted instruction is basically a self-learning technique, usually offline or online, involving interaction of student with the program. Computer assisted instruction use combination of text, graphics, sound and video to enhance the learning process. It's basically a method to which instructional material is prepared and stored in computer in form of program that are made to teach specific lesson. After display of some information, questions are asked regarding that knowledge, whether the student has gained that knowledge or not. If you provide correct answer, then it gives you next step that you can try it. When response is incorrect, information are be prepared and questions are asked again. Computer-aided learning is an integrative technology which describes an educational environment where computer program is used to assist the user in learning particular subject. Computer-aided learning is different in approach from computer-assisted instruction. In computer-aided learning, software rely more on learning through discovery and investigation rather than theory and questioning. Computer programs use animation, even modeling. For example, to explain a physics experiment, model generated so that student can understand the whole phenomena and discover what is the different situation and what will happen when situation got changed, what result will generated when phenomena get changed. So we can say computer aided learning is more effective than computer assisted instruction. So at the end of this lesson there is a home assignment for you. All you have to do is go to page number 28. At the bottom of the page there are few questions that are given. All you have to do is you have to write down their answers. Similarly, on page number 29, at the start there are few questions given. You have to read your lesson thoroughly and write down answer of these questions in your copies. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.